In this short tutorial, I will show you how to block a contact on WhatsApp. Blocking someone on WhatsApp is a simple process that can help you avoid unwanted messages or calls from specific people. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. After that, tap and select the group or contact that you want to block. Then tap on their name or the profile picture at the top left. Then scroll down to the very bottom. And then tap Block. Tap Block to confirm your action and block them. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.